Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you are fine. Welcome in your English class. Student, today we are going to revise story number 4, an alphabet. Word synonym. Word pie. Synonym sweet pastry. Word twirly. Synonym curly. Word squishy. Synonym soft. Word eel. Synonym snake-like fish. Question number 1. What was A and what was good about it? Answer. A was an apple pie. It was nice inside. Question number 2. Which word tells us that eels are bendy? Answer. The word twirly tells us that eels are bendy. Question number 3. Which words tell us how a goose walks? Answer. The word vandal tells us how a goose walks. Dear student, your homework is memorize story number 4, do its test, send your test work and also memorization work in WhatsApp group. Hope you understand. Good luck. Allah Hafiz.